OpenClaw Installation Troubleshooting, Common Issues Solved. In this video, we will tackle the most common installation issues for OpenClaw, teaching you how to identify and resolve errors efficiently for a seamless setup. Did you know that over 60% of OpenClaw users encounter installation issues on their first try? Welcome to our tutorial where we dismantle the most common hurdles you might face while setting up OpenClaw. Whether it's error messages, dependency conflicts, or path issues, we've got you covered with straightforward solutions to get your OpenClaw running smoothly. Stay tuned and let's make this process hassle-free.
The first step in troubleshooting OpenClaw installation is understanding the error messages. These messages can range from simple typos in the command line to more complex dependency issues. Familiarize yourself with common error codes such as module not found error or permission denied. Each code provides a clue to the underlying issue. Make a habit of documenting each error as it appears. This practice will not only help you but also assist others in the community when you seek help. Remember, logs are your best friend in troubleshooting as they provide a detailed account of what went wrong during the installation.
Dependencies are external packages that OpenClaw relies on to function properly. Conflicts often arise when the required version of a package is different from the one installed. Start by listing all current packages and their versions. Tools like pip or npm are invaluable for managing dependencies. If conflicts are present, upgrade or downgrade specific packages to match OpenClaw's requirements. Always update your dependencies to their latest stable versions to avoid security vulnerabilities and ensure compatibility. By keeping your environment clean and organized, you'll reduce the likelihood of encountering these conflicts.
Path issues occur when the system cannot find the OpenClaw executable or its dependencies. This is often due to incorrect environment path settings. Verify that the OpenClaw directory is included in your system's path variable. On Windows, you can edit this through the System Properties menu. On Unix-based systems, modify your bashrc or zshrc file. Double-check for any typos in the path as these are common culprits. Once set, test your configuration by running OpenClaw from any command line window. A successful run indicates that your path issues are resolved. Permission issues often prevent OpenClaw from accessing necessary files or directories. These errors manifest as access denied messages. Begin by identifying which files require permission changes. Use the command line to change permissions. On Unix, chmod and chown are your go-to commands. On Windows, adjust permissions through file properties. Running the installation as an administrator can bypass some permission issues, but do so with caution. Always ensure your permission settings are secure to protect your system from unauthorized access. Installation script errors are common, particularly if the script is custom or modified. Start by examining the script for any obvious syntax errors. Use an IDE with debugging capabilities to step through the script and identify where it fails. Pay attention to the error logs, they provide insights into what went wrong. If you modify a script, ensure that any changes adhere to scripting language standards. After corrections, rerun the script to verify that the issue is resolved. Persistence and patience are key when dealing with script errors.
Before installing OpenClaw, verify that your system meets the minimum requirements. This includes both hardware and software prerequisites. Check your CPU, RAM, and storage against OpenClaw's specifications. Additionally, ensure that your operating system version is supported. Use system information tools to quickly assess your current configuration. Installing on an incompatible system can lead to performance issues or failed installations. By confirming compatibility beforehand, you can avoid unnecessary headaches during the installation process.
The OpenClaw community is a treasure trove of resources and expertise. If you encounter an installation issue, chances are someone else has faced it too. Join forums and user groups dedicated to OpenClaw to share your experiences and learn from others. The official documentation is also an invaluable resource for troubleshooting. Don't hesitate to seek advice from experienced users or developers who can offer insights into complex problems. By engaging with the community, not only do you gain solutions, but you also contribute to a collective knowledge base that benefits everyone. Keeping OpenClaw updated is crucial for security and performance. Regular updates often include patches for bugs and new features that enhance functionality. Use built-in update tools or package managers to streamline this process. Periodically check for new releases on the official OpenClaw website or repositories. When updating, ensure that all components are compatible to prevent new conflicts. Consistent updates not only improve OpenClaw's reliability but also enhance your overall user experience. Congratulations! You're now equipped to tackle the most common OpenClaw installation issues. By following these steps, you ensure a smooth and successful setup. We encourage you to join the OpenClaw community, share your experiences, and continue learning. If you found this video helpful, drop a comment below or share it with others who might benefit. Don't forget to check out our related videos for more tech tips and subscribe for the latest updates. Thanks for watching.